Alright, we are gonna throw Shield Pearl, standing 20, looking 7.5. Ball goes pretty straight. But once again, there's a lot of oil on the lane right now. Try that again, 20. Looking 7.5. Ball did snap a little in the back. It is drilled and down. Should be storing some energy for a later exit into the pocket. Just gonna see what this ball does with the lane. Wow. So that ball does have a lot of back end, but pinned down, it's storing it and waiting. It's got a lot of length before it's starting to hook, which is good. You need a ball like that. I really like this Shield series. Alright, slow down just a little bit, 20 and 7.5. Yep, there it is. Just gonna slow down a little bit and start moving left. We're gonna go 25, looking 10. $25, looking 10. Great shot right there. 10 back. I'm gonna throw that one more time. 25. Looking 10. All into the corner. 30. Looking 12.5. Just have to slow it down a little bit so it comes back into the pocket.